Lesson 4.4 Gavin and Stacey. First activity is a DVD preview. It says match DVD extracts here from 1 to 6, actually not 7, to the correct responses A to F. Okay, and the first one is done for you, Mr. Davis. Good to see you again. Oh, please call me Hugh. Okay, instead of Mr. Davis, please call me Hugh. So you have to match part of a dialogue and the response, what the other person says. Second part, it says, what type of situation do you think the DVD clip shows? Read about the program below to find out. Gavin and Stacey is a BBC program about a young couple. Be careful with the pronunciation of this. Young. Not young. Young. Just one vowel. Gavin comes from Essex, near London, and Stacey comes from Cardiff, Wales. After a long-distance relationship conducted online and by telephone, they eventually get married and Gavin moves to Wales. In this episode, Gavin starts a new job. On his first day, his family want him to do well and be happy at work. Here it says watch the DVD. So you're going to click here next to DVD view, okay? And then tick which of the things below happen. Instead of tick, this is a tick here next to he goes to his office. This really happens. So instead of that, write yes if it happens or no if it doesn't happen. Okay? Then you've got activity 4A. It says answer the questions. For instance, why is Gavin's wife Stacey worried? You'll find a sentence like she's worried, and then you need to put meet lots of girls. So actually it will be a fill in the gaps activity, okay, with one or two gaps in certain sentences. Then you are supposed to listen to this audio file where someone is describing a typical day in her life and answer this question. Do you think she likes her job? And this will be a fill in the gaps activity with two gaps with one word in each gap. In 5B it says read the key phrases below and complete each phrase by adding just one word, and this is what you have to do. I wake up, and you have to write at, for instance, in this first example, at about 6:30, and do the same for the other gaps. You can even listen again to check. Finally, there is a write back activity, but this is not your writing activity for this unit. It's a good idea to have a look at the text, though, and think about what you could do if somebody asked you to write about your daily routine. But let me tell you, this is something more basic. And remember, it's more important at this level, the other writing, which is the covering letter.